In this video, I'm going to tell you why you should brush toothpaste on the headlights of your car. For anyone who has been driving a car for any length of time, you know that headlights lose some of their visibility over time. This is because the plastic oxidizes and then they get yellow and foggy. The last thing you want when you're near a cliff driving up a mountain in the rain, snow, and fog is a lack of visibility. This video could be the difference between you coming home safe or coming home sorry. And maybe not even coming home at all if we're honest here. Brushing your car headlights with toothpaste is a budget-free way to clean them and restore them back to a helpful condition. Just grab an old toothbrush, put a little toothpaste on it, grab a cup of water, dip the brush in the water, and brush in small, circular, buffing motions. Take your time and be sure to cover the entire surface area. Repeat this process multiple times if needed. Just don't get stingy with the toothpaste. Use it liberally. After you finish, rinse off the headlights with water, and you can even dry them afterwards if you'd like, and enjoy being able to see once again. If you've ever wondered why you should rub a potato on your windshield, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.